Hello, hello, hello. Merry Christmas, Namiakata. Oye, ojiye tsunami, ojiye tsunami. Yeah, so today is Christmas, so we are going to talk about Christmas and the New Year and holidays. How do you call holiday in ever? Holiday is mokeke, mokeke. Mokeke can be for students or for workers. So mokeke. Ta miele mokeke me. We are on holiday. Miele mokeke me. Miele mokeke me. Today is Christmas. Egba yenye Christmas. Or Egba yenye Yesu ƒe dzigbezan. Egba yenye Yesu ƒe dzigbezan. If you are in Ghana, Christmas is Christmas. I mean, Yesu ƒe dzigbezan, we all know is Christmas. If you are in the francophone countries, like in Togo and Benin, they can say Noel, which is French. So everybody understands that the birth of Christ is, well, it's symbolic, though Jesus is not born on the 25th, but that's how we celebrate it. So yes, we all know that it's symbolic. So 25th in Togo is Noel. For other people as well, they call it Noel. In Benin Republic too, they call it Noel. But in Ever is Yesu ƒe dzigbezan or Yesu dzidzizan. Yesu ƒe dzidzizan. Okay. As most of the time, we call it as well the old year. The old year. So ƒe ƒoƒo. For example, people can say, "Oh, no, do ƒoƒoƒo after the celebration of Christmas." So some people call it as well the old year because few days after the celebration we enter the new year. So some people call it the old year, the old year celebration. So ƒoƒoƒo or Yesu ƒe dzigbezan. The new year is Payeye. Payeye. Mie Payeye aguga on the 1st. Hello, 31st. Payeye. Payeye. Jinwapa nkeke. Bla tonvo de ke. Hello. Jinwapa nkeke ban. The first is Jinwapa nkeke ban. The 31st is Jinwapa nkeke bla tonvo de ke. So yes. So how do we give wishes or present wishes for Christmas? Most of the time we don't really we just say, "Oh, Jesus is born. Oji Yesu nami." Or you say something religious like may the Lord strengthen our faith. Yeah. Oji Yesu nami, Oji Yesu nami. Yesu na ba miaƒe xɔse nalike. Something like that. So it's just like giving blessings or something religious, saying something religious. We don't really give wishes for Christmas, or people in Ghana can say like Merry Christmas, lo, Merry Christmas. In francophone country, they will say in English, in French, Joyeux Noël, Joyeux Noël. But you can also say a follow, a nami. But most of the time, you give the wishes on the first, or after midnight. So that's where you give New Year wishes. So how do you say New Year wishes in ever? So uh, in ever, if you want to present your wishes to somebody, you have to, like in any other language, you say blessings, and then but you have to bless the person's family, actually the whole family, starting from the person's health, wealth, long life, or whatever. So how do we say it? Efwayeye now. Efwayeye now. Happy New Year to you. If if you are presenting your wishes to many people around at the same time, you say, instead of saying now, you will say nami. Efwayeye nami lo. Lo is like to you, or it's like emphasizing. So Feyeye namilo, or feyeye na, you can decide not to say low. You can just cut it. Feyeye now, feyeye nami. Okay, so that is Happy New Year. So if you want to say other things like I wish you long life, long life. Sorry, I wish you long life. Maji agbejiji. Maji agbejiji now, or maji agbejiji nami. Maji agbejiji now. Maji agbejiji nami. So that is I wish you long life. Lamasan. Maji lamasan now. Lamasan nami, which means good health. Lamasan, that's to be in good health. And then you say you can say like um we say like efane yino otro, so meaning that may the Lord take us through the year till next year, meaning that we should be alive to see next year. Efane yino otro. Or you could also say Ganeva, Efoyama, Ganeva. This year we want money, more money. So money is Ega. Yaira neva. Yaira is blessing. More blessing. Yaira neva. Yaira is blessing. Vineva. So that's more, Africans, we we don't we how do I say it? Children are very important to us. So if you are presenting your wishes to someone, maybe a young couple, then you say Avinava. So more children, or children should God should bless us with children. So Apoye ye namilo kamieji, we want or we wish. Maji or mieji, maji lamasan now. Agbejiji now. Ganeva majiga now. Vineva maji gbogbo now. Yes, so that is it. So today being 25th, I say Happy New Year to you all. Happy Christmas to you all, and Happy New Year. See you next time. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Bye bye.